Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and clearing the work area so you can see the K-cup lever linkage. Once done, remove the needle, presser foot, and bobbin case to expose the side plate. This gives direct access to the K-cup lever shaft. Use a small screwdriver to open the side panel and a flashlight to inspect the lever connection. You're looking for loose screws, worn slots, or a broken spring. Addressing these now saves you from reassembly backtracking later. You should now test the lever's motion by manually rotating the handwheel. Observe how the lever tracks the cam or belt. If the shaft has side-to-side play, tighten the retaining screw just enough to remove slop. Over-tightening binds movement. If the spring is damaged, swap it for the correct size and seat the end into its notch so the lever returns reliably. Once aligned, clean lint from the linkage and add a drop of light oil to the pivot to ensure smooth operation. You reassemble the parts in reverse order, making sure the K-cup lever engages the thread before tightening the side plate screws. This prevents trapping or misalignment. Once reassembled, thread the machine and sew on scrap fabric at slow speed while observing the lever. It must lift and lower in sync with the needle. If stitches look uneven or the thread slips, check timing. The lever should start descending slightly before the needle begins its rise. One troubleshooting tip: if binding returns, recheck spring seating and shaft play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.